All right, people, down here at the pond, can get some bass fishing in. Starting to rain so far, but it's not that hard, so let's see can we get a couple on video. First cast of the day. It's pretty stumpy out here in this area, as you can see. All right, people, I got one small one on. Got him on the top water frog. First fish so far, top water frog, culprit frog, one small largemouth. All right, people. Just caught another, ooh, Lord. Hold on, wait a minute. Another largemouth on the green craw. All right, people, just got another largemouth. All right, there you go, another one on the green craw. All right, people, just got another largemouth. Today is the day, people, like the Georgia lottery.
How can I win? Gotta do them in. How can I win?
All right, people. Another little small largemouth. All right, people, got another largemouth on the crawfish. All right, people, that's another largemouth. Your boy on fire today. Another one, people. All right, people, got another largemouth on. All right, people, another largemouth for today. Been something serious today. Yeah. All right, people, we got one on.
We got two on, people. Two on, people.
All right, people, got two on.
At one time, people.
At one time.
Real
people.
anglers. I'm threading your second spot. I'm threading your second. Man, I'm threading your second spot, boy.
All right, people, another largemouth. Yeah, all right, people, got another.
Damn.
Another little small largemouth.